Good morning, children. Welcome to Chemistry Online class. Unit 10 Matter Around Us Part 2. Students, today I am going to teach you separation of mixtures. Students, many mixtures contain useful substances mixed with unwanted material. In order to obtain these useful substances, chemists often have to separate them from the impurities. Children, we know many types of mixtures like solid-solid mixture, solid-liquid mixture, liquid-liquid, liquid-gas and gas-gas mixtures. And then students, why do we separate mixtures? To separate two different but useful components, to remove non-useful components, and to remove impurities or harmful components from the mixtures. Hand-picking, winnowing, threshing, sieving, magnetic separation, and filtration are the various common methods of separating substances from mixtures. In this lesson, we will learn about 5 different methods of separating techniques. They are sublimation, centrifugation, solvent extraction, simple distillation, and chromatography. In this video, we will learn first 3 separating techniques. Students, let us know about sublimation method. Children, what is sublimation? Sublimation is the process where a solid changes phase and turns directly into gas without passing through a liquid phase. Simply we can say direct change of solid to gas is called sublimation. For example, camphor. Another example, air fresheners. The air fresheners are used in toilets. The solid directly converted to gas only. The solid slowly sublimes and releases the pleasant smell in the toilet over a certain period of time. Let us discuss separation of mixtures by using sublimation method. The powdered mixture of ammonium chloride and sand is taken in a china dish. We know ammonium chloride is a sublime, that is that solid directly converted into gaseous state. Here the powdered mixture of ammonium chloride and sand is taken in a china dish. An inverted funnel is placed over the china dish. The open end of the stem of the funnel is closed using cotton. Next, we heat the mixture with the help of a burner. Observe the changes. We observe white vapors of ammonium chloride will evaporate and the sand remains in the china dish. Cool the mixture. The white vapors of ammonium chloride will condense on the inner sides of the funnel. Now, we can collect the solidified ammonium chloride from the funnel. Sand remains in the china dish only. So children, from this method, we can easily separate ammonium chloride from sand. Let us discuss next separating method, that is centrifugation. Centrifugation is the process by which fine insoluble solids from a solid liquid mixture can be separated in a machine called a centrifuge. This is a centrifuge machine. The centrifuge machine rotates at very high speed. On being rotated by centrifugal force, the heavier solid particles move down and the lighter liquid remains at the top. Centrifugation force is also used in pathological laboratories to separate blood cells from blood samples. In washing machine, centrifugation principle is used to squeeze out water from bedclothes. Let us see next separating method, that is solvent extraction. Liquid extraction is also known as solvent extraction method. In this method, two immiscible liquids can be separated by solvent extraction method. Children, here you should know what is immiscible liquids. Liquids do not mix with each other. One liquid floats on top of the another liquid. For example, mixture of oil and water, kerosene and water. Let us see how to separate kerosene from mixture of kerosene and water. In this separation technique, we need a separating funnel. We know both kerosene and water are immiscible in nature. That means they do not mix together. Lower density liquid is floating over the higher density liquid. Here, compared to kerosene, water is denser. So, kerosene is floating on the top of water. Now, we open the stopcock. We can collect the higher density liquid first in a beaker. After, we collect the lower density liquid, that is kerosene, in another beaker. Thank you, students.